Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the world of innovation with a countdown of the 7 best gadgets you absolutely need to know about. From cutting-edge tech to game-changing devices. Portable eyeglass cleaner and mini washing machine, a versatile solution for maintaining the brilliance of your favorite accessories. This compact device uses gentle vibration cleaning technology to effectively remove dirt and grime from eyeglasses, jewelry, watches, makeup, brushes, and necklaces. Elevate your outdoor adventures with the Mose Lighting Portable Bluetooth Speaker. This powerful speaker doubles as a bright flashlight and camping lantern, ensuring you're never in the dark. With USB rechargeability and a convenient hanging design, it's perfect for tents or outdoor gatherings. Enjoy your favorite tunes while lighting up your campsite, making it an essential companion for camping, hiking, or backyard parties. Stay connected and illuminated with Mose Lighting. Elevate your space with customized bubble-flowing screen decoration, designed to create a mesmerizing visual experience. Featuring a stunning water curtain wall, this innovative piece adds a dynamic element to any setting. Enhance your ambience with Water Dance Wine Cabinet, where streams of water gracefully move in sync with soft lighting. Perfect for showcasing your collection. Ideal for rural beauty clubs, this stylish partition provides both privacy and aesthetic appeal, seamlessly blending rustic charm with modern design. Discover the Vever CR Refrigerator, the ultimate portable fridge and freezer for all your adventures. Designed for both 12 DC and 240V AC power sources, this versatile unit is perfect for home use, camping, RV trips, or boating. Its efficient cooling technology keeps your food and drinks fresh, while the compact design ensures easy transport. The Vever Car Refrigerator is your reliable companion for hassle-free refrigeration on the go. Keep your pets hydrated with the Pets Water Fountain. This automatic filter dispenser provides a continuous flow of fresh water, encouraging your cats to drink more. Designed for quiet operation, it features a recirculating filtration system that removes impurities, ensuring clean water every time. The mini electric cooker is a perfect kitchen companion. This versatile non-stick cooking pot features both single and double hot pot options, making it ideal for steaming, boiling, or preparing delicious meals. Its compact design is perfect for home use, whether you're whipping up a quick dinner or enjoying a cozy hot pot experience with friends. Easy to use and clean. The Mini Milk Frother with 3 adjustable speeds, this versatile electric whisk effortlessly creates rich, creamy froth for your coffee, lattes, and more. Perfect for whipping up eggs or mixing ingredients, its ergonomic handle ensures comfortable use.